Auntie Sandra, and today we will be doing spelling. Please go ahead and write spelling on your paper and the numbers 1 through to 10. I will be saying the words, and all you need to do is to listen carefully and write the letter for the sounds that you hear. Let's begin. Our first word is grab, grab, grab. Our next word is slab, slab, slab. Our next word is brag, brag, brag. Our next word is glad, glad, glad. Our next word is flat, flat, flat. Our next word is clap, clap, clap. Our next word is slap, slap, slap. Our next word is plan, plan, plan. Our next word is spam, spam, spam. And our last word is swan, swan, swan. Are you finished? Okay, so let me check your spellings now. So our first word is grab, grab. Did you write grab, grab? Wow, correct. Our next word is slab, slab. Did you write slab, slab? Wow, wonderful. Good job. Our next word is brag, brag. Did you write brag, brag? Correct. Amazing. Our next word is glad, 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 glad. Did you write glad, glad? Wow, amazing. Good job. Our next word is flat, 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 flat. Did you write flat, flat? Good job. Wonderful. Our next word is clap, clap. Did you write clap, clap? Wow, correct. Our next word is slap, slap. Did you write slap, slap? Good job. Good job. The next word is plan. Plan. Did you write plan? Wow, amazing. Our next word is span. Span. Did you write span? Terrific. Good job. And our next word is swan. Swan. Did you write swan? Wow, good job. Amazing. If you got all your words correct, that means you got 10 out of 10. If you got any of your word incorrect, please to do your correction. And you did great. Give yourselves a round of applause. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.